To make this tea, take some fresh orange peels and cut them into small pieces. You can either use fresh orange peels or dried orange peels to make your tea. You can choose to either chop the dried peels or grind them to make a fine powder. Make sure you wash the orange peels thoroughly before you use them to make the tea. Now take about 1 glass of water and add orange peels to it. Take 1 ginger root and cut it into 4 to 5 small pieces. Add ginger slices to the water. Let it brew for some time. Once the water comes to a boil, turn the flame off. Cover the utensil and let the peels steep for about 10 minutes. Filter or strain the water. You can add few drops of lemon and honey to your orange weight loss tea to enhance the taste. Your orange peel tea is ready. Consume this tea every day for quick results. You may even make this tea in bulk and refrigerate it for use over 2 days. Orange peel may also be added to yogurt for flavoring and nutrition or sprinkled over salads. You may also add orange peel powder to your smoothies and milkshakes. With this, you also need to do few exercises to speed up your weight loss.
Bring your right hand in front of you and lift your left leg such that it touches your hand. Now repeat the same exercise with opposite hand and leg. Gradually increase the speed. Do this for about 30 seconds and then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 10 more times. Perform this exercise twice daily. Jogging in one place can be an effective way to burn calories. Warm up with a light jog. Lift your feet only an inch off the ground in the beginning. The more you move your body, the more calories you'll burn. Lift your knees higher to increase your heart rate. Increase your speed as well. The faster you jog in place, the more intense your workout will be. Jog for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily. It is important to do it at an intensity that gets your heart pumping.
Orange peels are rich in fiber, which makes them a great supplement for the ones looking to lose weight. Fiber is important for satiety and also a good digestive system. Orange peels are rich in vitamin C, which may promote fat burn. Orange peel extract have anti-obesity properties.
I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching the video.